So next up, guys, got a nice dump truck here. So this is a 2014 or 2013, right in there, 2013, I believe. Kenworth T440, T440. So tri-axle dump truck, real clean on the frame, rust-free, guys. Double frame truck. Pretty exciting part about this one is it's got the Cummins ISL 9, 370 horse diesel. It's been recently rebuilt, paired up with the Allison automatic 6-speed transmission, 16-foot semi-elliptical box, electric tarp, 24/5 rubber on the rears, heavy tag axle. I think it's a 22,000-pound tag. Heavy front as well, super singles, chrome bumper. Interior heat, AC, power windows, all those good things. But the truck runs real good, guys. I'm here with Pat. He'll fire it up, give you a nice demo. Starts right up there. I did run the electric tarp out and in, so that does work. I kind of tried that. Gotta drive it first, then go ahead. Back to you. He'll run the box up and down as well. It's got the Chalmers heavy duty suspension on it. Like I said, rebuilt motor, Allison automatic. He's got like 345,000 miles, 17,000 hours or so. High lift gate, currently doesn't have the cylinders on it. Sounded like they were going to get those cylinders put on, or if they don't get to it right away, definitely be something talk to the buyer on. A real nice truck. It's got a hose reel, air hose there coming out the side on this side. Double frame, like I said. Air driver's seat. Box goes up, down, nice and smooth. All of those things. So there's a quick demo, guys. 2013 Kenworth T440 tri-axle dump truck. Good luck, guys. Auction time at Old 20 Auctions.